Hi, I'm Shrishti Singh. My register number is UR14CS232. Today we are going to see our 10th experiment of our web lab. Our Web 10 experiment is based on XML. Our XML is Extensible Markup Language. In this particular program, we are creating a library in which 9 books are contained. Now we'll start with the coding. Our coding starts with the syntax, XML version we mentioned, and XML style sheet. We are connecting it to the CSS file. That is a student CSS file. Now over here we use a keyword as library. Now we are seeing library in under library all the books would come. Now we are seeing for the first book. Our first book ID is given as BK101. For the first book, the author, the title, the genre, the price, the publication date will be mentioned of the book, and we'll close the book tag. Then for the next book we'll see, for the next book again the book ID is given as BK102, author, title, price, publication date, and we'll close the book tag. Again for the third book we'll see in the same way. We have given the book ID is BK103. We'll again for each and every book we'll see for the author, price, publication, title of the book. Now for the fourth book, book ID is given as BK104. For the fifth book, BK105. Sixth book, BK106. For the seventh book, it is again given as BK106, 107, author, title, price, publication date, and we'll close the book tag. Now for the eighth book, book ID, book author, book title, price, publication. For the ninth book, author, title, price, publication, book. Now our XML is basically used to store the data. That is why over here we are using the we are creating a library because it will store all the contents of the book. Now we'll see a CSS file of this program. Now CSS file contains library. In that library, a background color and the width is mentioned. It will display background color is for actually a CSS file is used to enhance our HTML file in Nugget, and over here we are using the CSS file to enhance our web page. The background color is given as white and the width is given as 100. We'll close the library. Now for the book, we are using the display, background color, opacity, margin bottom, margin left, margin right, height, text alignment, and margin left. This means all the 9 books that we entered, it will come in the form of boxes and it will be visible in that form. Now we'll check the output of this particular. We'll run the code and we'll check the output. This will be the output of of the coding which we have done. This is the end of my web 10th experiment. Thank you.